Hey everyone, this is Arun, and today in this video I'm discussing the solution of this question. Grear Tire Company has produced a new tire with an estimated mean lifetime mileage of 36,500 miles. Management also believes that the standard deviation of 5,000 miles and the tire mileage is normally distributed. Use an Excel worksheet to simulate the miles obtained for a sample of 500 tires. So here we have three parts. First part and second part, we need to use the COUNTIF function. So part A, we need to use the COUNTIF function to determine the tires that will last longer than that 40,000 miles. What is your estimate for of the percentage of tires that will exceed 40,000 miles? Then in part B, we use COUNTIF to find the number of tires that obtain mileage less than 32,000 miles. So here we need to find the number of tires with 32,000 miles, which is less than 32,000 miles. Then we need to find the number with less than 30,000 miles and the number of with less than 38,000 miles. And in part C, if the management would like to advertise a tire mileage guarantee such that approximately no more than 10% of the tires would obtain mileage and low enough to quality for the guarantee. What tire mileage considered is in part B, and would you recommend for the guarantee? So here I have solved all the three parts of this question using simulation Excel formulas and COUNTIF formulas. Also, here is my solution. So tire mileage 36,500 as discussed, which is mean. And then this one is our standard deviation 5,000, which is already shared in the question. Now for simulation results, this one is our tire and I make the simulation here in the below of that workbook, which is 500 results. And then in the column B, I have provided the simulation and for mileage using Excel formulas. Now here this table provides the mileage for results. We have categories exceed 40,000, then less than 32,000. Then in part 3 we have 30,000 less than, and finally less than 28,000. And the numbers are here and the percentage in the last column for G column. Then I already saw part A, then this one is our part B, and this one is our part C. So everything I've solved using Excel formulas and this setup for simulation. And based on these simulation results, this part A, part B, and part C is achieved. So if you want this Excel file, you can just directly reach me out over my WhatsApp or my email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So you can reach out to me directly. And if you have more questions, for example, from this textbook, you can easily contact me as well for that questions. And I'm an expert in this textbook and I have solved many questions. And apart from that, I have many students who regularly have their issues in the questions if they stuck. So they also called me for that one, and in fact they achieved the good marks in the exams as well. So if you want the help in exams, or maybe if you have stucking in your homework in any question from this textbook, then definitely you can reach me out for that as well. So I hope you like this video and I hope we will be talking soon for your help. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Take care. Bye.